Hi guys, Ben here at Cool Motorcycles. Here we have our 2016 MT07 Tracer. This bike is 2016, one owned from new, a local chap. It has covered 598 miles from new, so it's essentially a new bike. In that time, I think it's had first service. I think it's had another 2 oil changes, just due to time, not use. But it had a load of extras fitted when it was new. It's got the heated grips, it's got the Yamaha box and rack. What else has it got? It's got the crash bars, bobbins, touring screen on it as well. So quite a lot of money spent on it when it was new, and also phone holder and bag on the yoke. So yeah, like I say, 598 miles. So there's not really a lot to point out. It's essentially a new bike. All casings, really nice and clean. All the plastics, absolutely perfect. Tank is perfect. It's also got the genuine Yamaha comfort seat as well, which was fitted when new. Yeah, really nice and clean. Some extra as well, the chain guard. So we go 589 miles. So there you go, essentially a pretty much brand new MT07 Tracer. Any questions or queries, feel free to give us a shout. Thanks for watching.